And with tons of people here in Lincoln for boys state basketball, couldn't ask for better weather to start out that tournament here for this Wednesday. A wonderful Wednesday we have on tap with fairly light winds. Yesterday we struggled to make it to 60 degrees. We've got mostly clear skies out there now, and temperatures are going to be warmer today with next to no wind. Pleasant to know that, and grateful for that. It's a day you really got to take advantage of when we have next to no wind across much of the state for the day today. Here's temperatures as we get later in the 6 o'clock hour. We've got temperatures and 30s, but we're headed toward the lower 70s this afternoon with the winds at their worst, maybe up to 10 miles per hour. But again, that'll be quite pleasant for the day today with some of the warmer weather. Winds out there right now are fairly calm, up to 6 miles per hour here in Lincoln, maybe 7 miles per hour is all out in Kearney out of the west at the moment. But partly cloudy skies here over southeast Nebraska and much of southern Nebraska as we look at satellite and radar. But the winds come back by Thursday and increase some fire danger, especially from southwest Nebraska up through northeast Nebraska, with fire weather watches and red flag warnings in place for the afternoon and evening hours of tomorrow. So let's look at Stormcast to show you the winds will be on the order of 30 to maybe up to 40 miles per hour through that stretch of real estate through the state. But also a system is deepening and the state Friday into Saturday. So we'll start out with some fairly strong gusts here in eastern Nebraska, increasing fire danger once more on the order of 30 to 35 miles per hour out of the south. But then you'll notice the backside of the system, these north and northwesterly winds starting to pick up Friday morning, and especially by the afternoon hours, around 40 to 50, maybe even up to 60 miles per hour at times. There will be a section of the state where the middle of that low pressure system sits that will see a little bit of an ease to the winds before the strong winds on the backside of the system really spread out across the state going into Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon, around 40 to 50 miles per hour for just about everyone, and with a little precipitation that could mean for some messy travel, namely for northeast Nebraska. But let's talk about precipitation. As this low pressure system is spinning up Friday, you'll see some cloud cover in the morning, some mixed precipitation out on the edge of the panhandle, but into the afternoon, some thunderstorms are spinning up and fanning out across southeastern Nebraska, and these will move quickly to the north and really gain some strength and intensity and form more of a line as they move east. We'll still have some thunderstorms through central Nebraska and even a line of some snow out in western Nebraska. That some of that rain is trying to transition over to snow, but out ahead of all this will be a line of some stronger storms and some severe weather largely expected to our east with all of this. That's where the high for the severe weather is, with the enhanced level 3 out of 5 risk, mainly for those in and around the Mississippi River. But can't rule out a strong storm or two, maybe with some gusty winds and a little bit of hail as those thunderstorms are kind of launching from Nebraska, then on east into Iowa and Missouri, and a lot of wind again coming with that. Those strong winds on the backside of that system knocking down temperatures from the 70s to the 40s. Will warm up a little bit by Sunday, but then back to the 70s by St. Patrick's Day, just in time for some of those festivities.